Righto, back in sunny England. Look at this, absolutely rubbish. Ugh. Episode 12. Yes, I do want to start by just apologising really for a bit of the anticlimactic Ibiza thing. I don't know, when I was watching it back, when I was editing it, I was just like, oh God, this could have been so much more. It has inspired me to go somewhere else though, give it another go, do a couple of specials elsewhere. No, it's busy. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna cut. Right, so today we are going to go to Newmillerdam, which does revolve a bit of the same old trail. Up that steep bit. Oh, words. Yes, it does involve a bit of repetitive routage, but once we break off from the regular route, it's a bit of new track, and I'm looking forward to giving it a go. Yes. So today, yes, we're going this way. Most of the way we've done before through Dearne Valley Park and whatnot. Continue on to Newmillerdam, get a pint at the dam, circle round, make us way back. But obviously we're going to break off a different way and come back kind of like that end of Barnsley. I've got a pair of gloves in my bag that Rodder's wife lent me when we were out, so I'll drop them back off on my way past. So it's going to be about 20 miles today, and the main reason I'm trying to get some quite long ones in is for this bike ride in a couple of weeks to Kielder Forest with Alex. I've not really done anything long for quite some time, definitely nothing near 30 miles, so I went out, was it yesterday? No, day before yesterday. Out again today. There's nothing tomorrow because I'm at Slam Dunk Festival with a few pals. It should be fun. But yeah, having a bit of a break for once. I never really take bank holidays off work, but I'm choosing to this time. I'm going to need it after the all-day session on Sunday. Hey up. Oh, it's really muggy, really, what's the term? Close. I don't really like saying that. It's just humid, really humid and moist. So I think it's going to piss it down in a minute. The clouds look pretty grim. I've got my raincoat in my bag just in case, but I don't think I'll need it. I'm rather hungover as well. I had a bit of a drinking Dungeons and Dragons session last night with some mates. Went on till like 1 in the morning. Shout out to Phil, being the world's best DM. Got my music on today to help me just keep moving. But yes, Ibiza was a really nice trip, really enjoyed it. And it has got me excited to do more routes that are not so, immediate to where I am now. Oh, nice. Right, thank you. I've had a bit of nice feedback from my last couple of episodes since I've got my bike fixed and stuff, which has been uplifting. I'll go on grass. A bike down there once, I nearly killed myself. Yeah, so bit of a steady one today, but I want to just keep going. Not stopping and starting every 2 minutes for barriers and stuff. No turbo mode at all, not allowed today. Not even up the deceptively steep hill. Zero. I don't actually think that bike that we're using in Kielder Forest is going to be too bad, because the one that I used in Ibiza ain't nearly as powerful as that one, and I only use 5% of the battery, so maybe I can stick it in turbo the entire time we're there and just keep blasting. Oh, got a long, like 12-hour session tomorrow. Taxi at 11:30 in the morning, taxi at 10:30 at night to get me home. So it's a long old day. And, it's kind of putting me off the idea of having a few today, but I think I'm gonna have to. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Obviously, the last time I've done this, I've gone left through Asda car park, and that way I'm just gonna do a little bit of road, which gets us onto the path a bit quicker. I'm not fussed about going all the way around. I've done it a million times now. Yeah, it's just up here a little bit, and then you can like veer left onto the path. It'll be fine. I'm actually going to skip this bit. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I wanted to skip all that road. It's a bit noisy and pointless, so just had a minute. So just turning left here connects onto the. I normally come from the other side. Yeah. So I normally come up that path and then this way. So yes, 2 miles to Mapplewell. Then we're going to carry on. We're not stopping at anywhere around there today. We just want to keep blasting, really. Today is distance. Distance and speed. Did I already talk about the horizon balancing thing? I don't think I did. I've been using this Action 4 DJI camera thing from the beginning, and I didn't realise there was a setting in the filming section for horizon balancing. So obviously I'm going like that with my head a lot, and it's got a built-in piece of technology to basically, you lose a little bit of crop, but it tries to keep the camera level with the horizon, which is pretty awesome. Didn't even know it was on there. So yes, good camera is good. It's doing its job. It seems to be really efficient in low light, bright light, everything. The auto ISO is pretty sweet. So yeah. Yeah, so I've got Kielder Forest in June, early. I think that's in 2 weeks. I've got Sherwood Pines. Hopefully before then. Actually, it could be in the next week. I'm probably going to break my leg, but that'll be interesting at least. What else have I got? I'd like to do a little lap round Langset. I know there's some parts that you're not meant to go on your bike, so I might have to extend it a little bit, but that could be really nice. I did it with Phil and Jordan a while ago, a couple of my mates. And my bike bust. My tyre completely ripped off halfway around, so I had to push it the rest of the way. That sucked. Yeah. I think that was Tom. I was asking him about his, says something about his new album. Oh, I'll listen to it on the plane on the way home, beer tomorrow. I've got these piss yellow visors on, haven't I? So everything I look through is a bit distorted, and it's quite scratched and battered, so I couldn't really tell anyway, but if it were, hello Tom. If it weren't, hi stranger. So we are going underneath the bridge where Eastfield is, carrying on. But where in the other episodes I've gone right and followed around the back of the houses to the fields, we're instead going straight forward. And I will have to use the maps at this point because I know generally the right direction, but Can I go around this bit without dying? We are going 100% barrier free. Watch. I haven't stopped. I haven't stopped. Oh, close enough. Right, what else has been going on? Not a lot really. Like I said, slam dunk tomorrow. I'm getting to see Imminence, a band that I've discovered recently that I'm absolutely obsessed with. Jess even bought me the vinyl for the album The Black for my birthday a few weeks back. So that's, yeah. The lead vocalist has got a violin as well. And it's super like deep orchestral string stuff, but really heavy. It's awesome. So that's tomorrow. First band I'm going to be seeing. Really looking forward to that. I've got, who else? A Day to Remember, they're headlining. Less Than Jake, a band from my youth. It's a pretty nice one to be fair, I'm quite happy. Bloody hell, I'm out of breath, man. Right, that's our normal route there. We're going this way. Royston, 1.5 mile. Newmillerdam, probably 5, maybe. 5 or 6 miles. How did I still get a fly in my eye, man? I've got my glasses on and I've got a bloody glass cover. At this point I'm going to have to start wearing a bloody hazmat suit just to avoid bugs. Royston Motors. I'm assuming it's this way. Next stop. On here for a bit longer, turn left. It's saying we're 34 minutes from the dam. Exactly 4 miles, so that's slow going that, what the hell? Okay. Yep. This is pretty cool to be fair. Right, we're in a farmer's field somewhere. Bouncy as out. I'm assuming it's still public land. Yes, let's go. Let's get a motor on. That'd be nice, that, because that would have been I think like an hour solid without stopping, which I haven't done in ages because I tend to have too many pub stops going on good. Dude, this is nice. This is really nice. This is a lot of downhill. Glad I'm going a different way home. Oh. Yes. I don't know if I'm on private land or not here. I think I am. So I apologise, people. Just following what the map's telling me to do. I think we're going to go that way back home later. I haven't actually got a clue where I am. Not in this area at all. Some nice poosh houses though. Norton Village Hall, okay. There's nothing for you here. Nope, never heard of it. I'm just trusting the map for all of this. Might be completely wrong. Oh, public footpath, there we go. Oh nice, we're going right over there. Yeah. Right, let's get a motor on. This guy running down, 100 mile an hour. Brian's Bridge. Cool. Wonder who Brian were. Oh, hi. Oh, no, denied, never mind. 2 flies making sweet love on my arm. Got a rim. Yeah, it's very beautiful, all this. Oh, I just wish it was sunny. Then again, I am absolutely dripping with sweat. But that's good. It's good. Keeps me going for the challenges ahead in the coming weeks. Let's have a look at this view. We've done 7.5 miles, well, 7.7 miles so far, which is nice. Oh yeah, a bit tired, but we're doing well. Doing well for time, doing well for distance, energy, but not doing well for flies. Blah. Mother Nature telling me to shut up. Newmillerdam Country Park left. That's where I'm gonna go. No, this is fine. It's absolutely fine. In fact, it's really nice. Oh, there's a big path there. Okay, that's what I want. I think that's what it thinks I'm on. And here we are now. So where does that go? Oh yes, this is nice. I'm hoping this connects back to Carlton. I think it will, which is ideal for the way we want to go home. Anyway, let's get some speed on. Right here. And then left here. You tried your best, pal. Well, that is a little disappointing. I've just broke my drone, so the flip is no more. It must have just clobbered into a tree and the piece of the gimbal plastic has snapped. So that's not completely ideal, but we'll go this way. Not completely ideal, but I think if anything it will be a really cheap, really quick fix. This is not the right way, but it does look cool. Can I go up and then back down it? Oh, you know what? I'm absolutely just gasping for a pint. Thank you. Yes. It looks like I went the wrong way, but it's fine. I'm gonna go right here, back up there. Don't think I'm really meant to drive on this bit, but it's fine. Yeah, so my DJI flip's done for a little bit. Oh my God. I've still got the Neo to use as a backup. The problem is that both of them haven't got really good, obstacle avoidance. Kind of just use the built-in AI tech to do its thing. I'm gonna go left here. I think my helmet needs a wash. The internal parts. I've just, I was talking about how sweaty I felt. I've just took my helmet off for a second and squeezed the bit of sponge that's protecting my head. And it just dropped out like a river. So yeah, it's pretty grim. I don't know why, but it seems to be I'm so much sweatier than I were in Ibiza. I'm really dripping to bits. Humidity is pretty awful. Anyway, bit 8. Having a little cruise, aren't we? Newmillerdam. So the drone still flies. It just can't move its neck to to follow you. And yeah, it is what it is. I might be able to find that exact same plastic piece and get a replacement, or see if somebody can 3D print one. Yes, that's my first ever proper crash and something's broken. Technically I weren't flying it, it was automatic, so I'll still say I'm crash free. Ooh. This is really nice. I always thought it were a lot further away than it actually is. Yes. 8-9 miles or something like that. Not bad at all. Newmillerdam. Oh, here we go. Lakeside. No, dam in. That's where we'll have a swifting. Oh. Inside there, bit of plastic there, which that ring's supposed to be on, and you can also see, oh god, can I zoom in? Can't zoom. There's also basically a bit a T-bend of plastic, and it's just snapped clean off there basically. So hopefully I can get that 3D printed and just re-put back in. It's only a tiny screw. Anyway, gutted. You did well, dude. For what, 5 flights? Oh well. Ooh, spatial awareness pisses me off, man. Everyone just stands there. Yes. Just sat at that pub then, and this guy with his big fat blobbering slobbering dog come and sat next to me. Oh god. I had to put my earphones in and and move to another table around the corner. I just couldn't stand it. Absolutely winding me up, something fierce. Every time I walk past it goes to lick my legs with its slobbering mouth. My parents are just like they're ignoring it. God, it's so... something wrong with him. What's it growling at? What's this stupid little dog gonna do? Oh man. People, aren't they funny? Right, this is sort of where I've just been, I think. Did I go that way? Yep. Anyway, we're gonna go left. Oh, I can't believe I brought my drone. Gutted. Up here. I can't tell with some of these maps. Anyway, it looks nice and it's... no, it's not the right way. I'm sure I can reconnect. It'll be alright. If not, I'm sure I can way find his own way. Nice. That was awesome. Okay. Next stop. Next stop. Somewhere over there. 6 miles or so. Right, so other than that big slobbering mess of a dog ruining me one and only pint, pretty nice bar. Staff were really nice. Scenery were nice. I just wish it were a bit better weather. Less humid, more sunshine. Yeah, so now we're heading towards Royston Canal, but from the other side. And this is the way that most people from Barnsley get to Newmillerdam, but I like my way. Oh, there's a lot of straight. Let's just zoom past all this straight. Still going. Still going. Oh, a slight bend, but yep, still going. And then there's more. More. Oh, look at this, a turn. Oh my God. That's what turns feel like. Oh, very good. Very good. Oh, Dell. You know, I've got some epic music on. Still listening to that in inertia. Oh, it's nice. Up. So I wonder when I'm English. So I wonder when I'm going to get Mr. Phil Attenborough out for an episode. He's one of my loyal followers. One at fist to watch my episode every time. Bless him. I'm going to do a special somewhere. Squirrel. Oh, it's a squirrel. Yo. I have to swap batteries soon in my camera, it's nearly dead. Bloody hell. Just like that, ruined that way completely. Oh, I'm tired. Sun's trying its best to come out, but I'll not hold my breath. No luck catching them swans then. It's just the one swan actually. I just thought on as well, I could have been filming all these episodes in 4K 60. And then if there's ever any interesting scenery bits or whatever, I could slow it down 50%. There's an idea for next episode. Oh, you nettle bastard. Ow. Yeah. See, I normally get a lager when I'm out biking. It's fizzy, it's refreshing, goes down well. But pretty much the only beer that I could find in Spain was San Miguel. And I'm pretty sick of it. Sick of lager, so just had a cider then. And I'm going to pop to Williams and I'm going to see what cans of craft they've got in. Hopefully they've got a nice sour, something different. And then I'll pop to Rodder's, drop his gloves off, and then I'll be on my way. But it's I've quite liked this so far. To say that I quite had to fight myself to get out. I really weren't feeling it. I'm glad that I have. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, look at them manners. Absolutely mega. Absolutely mega. Not just you're welcome, you are very welcome. Love it. Right, bike's gone into eco mode. So it's had enough. Time to change. 15 miles is not bad though for sport mode. I think on tour I could have done 20. Eco I can do like what, 30 on one battery maybe. Easy. Who wants to do 30 miles on eco? Not me. Right, I'm gonna switch my shit off it. BRB. Oh. Would be nice if I could keep going left, but don't think there is anywhere on the path. Just have to go around this field for the millionth time. Oh, it is a nice spot, I suppose. Let's go this way. Never go down here. It's only the exact same thing, but... Oh, is it? Oh, God. Where are we going? Well, I don't know where it's going, but I'm risking it for the biscuit. It might come out somewhere in the right direction. Strange little tunnel. Oh, this way. This is going to be one of them moments where I cock up and I have to go all the way back a mile. This doesn't look particularly bike friendly. Oh my God, it comes out just where I were a minute ago. Anyway, it was worth the little venture. Slashing my legs up and getting tired. Basically, we've just come out. We've just skipped that little corner there. Going new places really does make a difference. Obviously, I've been to Newmillerdam before, but not on the bike or any of that route that I've been. So yes, awesome. So if you're thinking about it, if you're anywhere in the Barnsley area, you can make your way through to Newmillerdam and follow up that path. So just good route. I've enjoyed it. It's come at the cost of a drone, but yes. Right, little roll now. Little roll just to enjoy. I'll take my visor off for a bit of cool air in my face. There you go, you have it yellow for a bit. Yeah. Cudworth, Coddington, Codsworth, Codding, Welling, Bottomton. Get me to the pub. Maybe it's not busy. Bloody hell, can't stand it if it's busy. Oh, I'm such an old miserable sod. That's the way we normally go. I'm going to go up and then down that way. A little bit of a country lane that way as well. Not as long as that, but it's still somewhere different. I am aware that some of my videos have been a lot longer recently as well. Oh, thank you, buddy. It's just completely circumstantial. Depends what route I do and where I'm doing it. Some of the shorter ones have been when I'm on a dinner break and I've only got like an hour. Some of the longer ones, it's just, I don't really know what to cut out. Some people have said they really like just the bits where I'm just cruising and not really saying much. Others have said skip it, or do that fast forward thing. I don't know, so I tend to just mix it up in every episode and cut it however I feel, so we'll just keep plodding along. Right, we're off. Second to last little leg before we get off home. A lot of nice downhill now. Slowly rolling down Carr Lane. Ended up having a massive, like a 7% stout by Salt. And I don't think I've ever had a stout by Salt. It was all right. It was banoffee, and I'm definitely not a banana man at all. So made me feel a little bit sick actually. I had to have a pint of water after. Yes. Short downhill now. Woo! Oh, this is nice. Oh, I'll be surprised if my audio is working for this bit, but it's windy as balls. Ring Farm, that's where they train all police horses and all that. All mounted division. Very cool. Oops. Right. Right, and we're here. Final destination. That was the 50th birthday on, bloody hell. Ooh, I hear you call. Great tune. Wayne, you alright? I'm alright, mate. Hey boys, see you all in a bit. Have a good one. Take care. See you in a bit. See you later, Rich. Where do I go? I'll go uphill. Why not? I always finish my routes up here. Right. That was really nice, that. Talking to a few bikers about the different bikes and different setups. Right, anyway, I know I've been filming for quite a long time today, so I'm conscious of my storage, my battery and whatever, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna end it here. Only like 10 minutes now, back to Priory, so. Right. I'm grateful for everybody watching. It's a good journey. I'm enjoying doing it. It's getting me out. I probably had more beer today though. That's probably like counted the amount of calories I've burnt, but either way, I'm still out. Hope you have a good day tomorrow at the festival. I've just had a message from my missus. 40-mile-an-hour winds. Great. Can't wait for that. Anyway, thank you for watching, everybody, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.